In this video, we'll walk through the process of creating a digital twin from data collection to real-time updates. Data collection and sensors. Digital twins rely on data from sensors and IoT devices. These sensors collect various types of data, such as temperature, pressure, and movement, essential for accurate modeling. Building the virtual model. The virtual model is created using advanced modeling software. It reflects the physical object's design, structure, and behavior. This step involves integrating data to ensure the model is accurate and dynamic. Simulation and calibration. Simulations are run to test the digital twin's accuracy. Calibration involves adjusting the model based on real-world feedback to ensure it accurately represents the physical object. Integration and real-time updates. Integration with data sources allows the digital twin to update in real time. This continuous data flow ensures the model remains accurate and useful for analysis and decision-making. Next, we'll explore real-world applications of digital twins. Subscribe for more insights and detailed examples.